Hey guys, welcome again. In this video, we are going to continue the WordPress installation remaining part. So let us continue. So guys, open XAMPP control panel and make sure that Apache and SQL will be start and those two will be in green color. Okay. And then open the Chrome browser, localhost / folder name. My folder name will be test, T-E-S-T, test. Okay. Here you can see WordPress. Yes guys, you can even check the status of XAMPP here itself by clicking right click. Yes, so here comes the installation. So guys, first we have to choose the English United States language and continue. Then later it will be asking the database name, database username and password. Just click let's go. And then see here you have to change the database name will be created database name. So we had already created the database with the name test, so we have to enter the test here, TEST, and then username will be root. Sorry, username, I think, yes, username will be root, and then password is nothing. So I think we are all correct. Yes, let's go with submit. Yes, all right, we have to run the installation. Okay, then welcome. So we have to give some information here before getting WordPress dashboard. Site title will be anything, so I'm gonna give Boldevs. It is my company name, BOLDEVS, Boldevs. Okay, it's nothing but Bold Developers. And then username will be admin. Okay, and then password, I'm gonna go with same, admin, because it is localhost. Don't use admin in real. Okay, confirm use of weak password. Then mail will be anything like the rate of gmail.com. Fine. Sorry, admin at the rate of boldevs.in. Just a second, boldevs.in. Fine. So I'm gonna search engine visibility discourage. Yes, run install WordPress. Yes, now WordPress installation will take place. Within a few seconds we can get WordPress dashboard. We'll see. Yes, fine. See, username and password will be saved, not an issue. Then login. So guys, this is the installation of WordPress. Now you can see the WordPress is installed. We have to give our username or email address and then password. After giving this, we have to click on login. Then it will be automatically redirected into WordPress dashboard. On coming video, we'll surely see how the WordPress dashboard will be, and I'll be explaining you all the things. See you. Thank you.